Absurd fuel prices, shocking maintenance costs, nasty air pollution. Last mile delivery can be without ridiculous fuel prices. Without costly maintenance and dodgy mechanics. And even without polluting our cities with harmful emissions. Buying a new van? Check out Voltia, the best money-saving tool for your fleet, with high payload, great range, and a large cargo space. Now available at your local dealership. Voltia, stop wasting money, future-proof your business, and switch to electric now.